How to check deleted notifications on Android. This tutorial shows you how to use notification history to view alerts you've already cleared. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Notifications. After that, scroll down and tap Advanced Settings. At this point, tap Notification History. Following this, if this is your first time opening it, tap the toggle at the top to turn notification history on. From here, you'll see two sections, Today and Earlier, listing every notification you've received, including the ones you've already cleared or dismissed. Finally, tap on any notification in the list to open it and see the full details, or tap directly on it to jump into the related app. Keep in mind, notification history only keeps track of notifications from the point you turn it on, so anything cleared before that won't show up here. It also only stores this data for a limited number of days before older notifications get removed automatically. That's how you check deleted notifications on Android. If this helped you recover something you missed, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.